Good morning children. Welcome to the EVS class. I hope you all enjoyed the nature walk yesterday and observed all the things which I had shown you in the environment. After the video, I have sent you one picture of locust and I asked you to write 5 lines about that insect. Have you written those lines? No, because no one has sent me the feedback. So please watch the news, write 5 lines and send me on WhatsApp that whether you have done the homework or not. Understood? So after the nature walk, after we have seen the environment, we have used these words again and again, so it won't be difficult for you to understand these words. So we will read these difficult words. Our first word is furniture. Furniture is living or non-living thing? Yes, correct. It is not living. It is non-living thing because it is man-made. We cut the wood and then we make the furniture. Second is smoke. Smoke is harmful for us. And who gives the smoke? The vehicles and the factories. Isn't it? So it is harmful gases. Garbage, damage, support, harmful, factories, soil erosion and pollution. We'll again repeat these words and you will speak after me. Okay?
Nature, smoke, garbage, pollution, damage, support, harmful, factories and soil erosion.
To write these terms in the notebook and first I am going to explain all these terms to you. Okay? So our first term is pollution. What is it? Pollution. Addition of harmful substances like smoke, dust, dirt and waste in the environment. Okay? Like when the dirt, smoke or the waste gets mixed with air, water, soil, so they pollute these things. Understood? I'll give you one example now. This is clean water, isn't it? So we can drink this water, we can use it for bathing, washing, etc. Isn't it? Now see this water. Is it clean? No, it's not clean. It's very dirty. Can you see the color of this water? It's very dirty. So this is clean water and this is polluted water, isn't it? So we cannot use the polluted water because it is not good for our health, and only the clean water is good for our health. Understood, children? Same way, the air also gets polluted, the land also gets polluted, and the traffic also gives us noise pollution, isn't it? So we have learned all these pollution. Our next word is environment. Environment is the surrounding or conditions in which a person, animal or plants live. As we have seen in our previous video when we went for the nature walk, in that I had shown you the birds, the animal like dog and all, trees, they make our environment, isn't it? So they all live in the same place which creates our environment, isn't it? Now again we go to the next word. It is soil erosion. What is soil erosion? Soil erosion is not good for soil. Why it is not good for soil? Because it washes the upper layer of the soil, and it happens when it rains or when the winds are very strong. So it takes the fertile soil along with it, which is not good for the trees to grow. Our next word is damage. What is the meaning of damage? Damage is physical harm that the value or usefulness of a thing. Suppose here I'll give you one example. Can you see this badminton racket? Yes, it is broken here, isn't it? So this badminton racket is damaged. What do we call it? It is damaged and we cannot play with it anymore. We have to get it repaired. So, and can you see this earphone? See this earphone? It is broken and it is damaged. So we cannot hear with it anymore. So the meaning of damage is physical harm that weakens the value or usefulness of a thing. Next word is garbage. What is garbage? Garbage is the waste. These are the waste things that we throw out. Now I'll show you few wrappers. This is milk packet and this is biscuit wrapper. Now after consuming these things, what do? We throw them in the dustbin. So the things which we do not use are waste for us and we are throwing it in the dustbin, that is called garbage. Understood, children? So you will write all these terms in the notebook and I am going to revise these terms again with you with the help of picture.
Pollution.
Thank you, children.
Pollution is addition of harmful substances like smoke, dust, waste, etc. Environment. Environment is the surroundings or conditions in which a person, animal or plant live. Soil erosion. Soil erosion is when the upper layer of soil gets washed away due to rain or strong winds. Damage. Damage is the physical harm that weakens the value or usefulness of a thing. So our last word is garbage. Garbage means waste things that we throw out. So today's class is over, children. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day.